What's up, guys? Welcome back to LJ Gamers. Today, I'm going to be showing you a new Roblox promo code that just came out today. So this is going to be like a 1-minute video because there's only one promo code. So the item that we're going to get is a golden football. So the promo code is 100 years of NFL. So, successfully redeemed. Nice. So now let's go to my catalog. Wait, no, it's avatar. Never mind. Avatar. Where is it? Ooh, buddy. Where is it? Oh, okay. It's loading. Hello? Hello? Yep, I like it. Okay, I really like this item because my favorite sport is football. So this is really cool. Thank you, Roblox, for making this, and thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Like this video and hit that bell, and we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.